Hello friends, this is Cryptonian. It's North American East Coast time, 7:15, 7:20 a.m. on Friday. Taking a look at AAVE. AAVE's big, friends. AAVE's got tremendous range, and this is why I tried to put this on your radar. Taking a look at AAVE, you see here we have the breakout here when Bitcoin broke out from its wedge. Um, Also, AAVE broke out. And we can see that we went all the way up to 97, 97 to 71. So what next? What now? Well, it depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin continues its push higher, then AAVE will continue to do well. Now, AAVE's already had a tremendous run right here. We've had, excuse me, not there. That's the consolidation. Tremendous run right here. Okay. And then we went into consolidation here, and it's hard to believe, but if this can continue, we're going to go much higher. Now, on the pullback, I'm looking at 88.94, which would be just above the golden pocket. Golden pocket is 618 right here at 88.53. But it depends on if we hold this upper level or not, 93.26. If we can hold that, I don't think we will, but if we can, we have a setup for going an additional 20%. But I do think that probably what will happen is we'll come back down here, bump our head, and then do something like maybe like this. Now, 0.5 Fibonacci is 90.28. Okay, so these are levels to pay attention to. 90.28, 88, and 95. These both are very important levels because these are levels that if AAVE retraces to these levels and then Bitcoin continues to push higher and the market continues to push higher, then we could see tremendous opportunities here. Taking a look at where this could go, this could actually go to the next level at 116, way up here. Seems like it's a bit extreme. Maybe it is. It probably would take quite a while to get there. But if it's possible, eventually it will. That's if Bitcoin does not dump and this market continues. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. But like I said, we had a big breakout, and it seems like the market is somewhat bullish. How long it will continue, not sure. But remember, we had a breakout here, and during this breakout, there was nothing but consolidation here, right? And then we had a nice, massive breakout, and now the retracement or consolidation here would be a perfect place to get in, as close to most likely as close to the 88.95 as possible, in my opinion. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm not an advisor, but I'm going to be watching AAVE. I'm going to be watching Bitcoin, the market, and AAVE, and I'm going to be looking at a serious position somewhere down here. After AAVE pulls back and shows a sign of consolidation, possibly another wedge like this, possibly, it could possibly do something like this, right? Come down, and then that's when I would be looking to take a substantial position right around 90.28 and 88.95, even at 88.53 on a wick down here. So So there you have it, friends. That's my plan. That's what I'm looking for. Now, taking a look at AAVE on the daily, I'll show you where I'm getting these numbers. Here we see the entire uh, setup here for AAVE. We had the breakout here. We went higher, had another breakout, went into a sideways consolidation, just had another breakout. Look at this gap. There is a huge gap from 93.26, this level, all the way up to this upper level here. Okay. When we look to the left, we can see that the next major level, there might be a little resistance in between, not much though. There's a gap here. So that's a 24% gap. So let me take a look here. From here all the way up, that is a, yes, that is a 24%, 24.3% gap. So could we have a pump up to that next level? I think it's very possible. AAVE has a huge range. And you can see what we have here. We have a left shoulder, we have a head, and then we have another right shoulder. We could be forming the right shoulder now, where we, do this a little bit and then break up and hit the next level. Okay. And also, what's interesting is, let me see, let's take a look. Okay, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this actually could be a an Elliott wave 1, and then an Elliott wave 2, and then we could be going into an Elliott wave 3, which, if that's the case, this 24% gap is easy. That 24% gap is easy to cross, right? Because when we take a look at the Elliott wave theory and Elliott wave setup, Elliott waves basically have 5 waves up, or excuse me, 3 waves up and 2 corrective waves, right? 3 impulsive, 2 corrective. And so what can happen is you go up and then you correct. You go up and you correct. You do that 3 times and correct twice, generally, and then you go into a different, more complex type scenario. But this could very well be the Elliott wave 1 on a massive scale. And if that's the case, then we could be going much, much higher for number 3, right? Now, is this going to happen overnight? No. Is it going to take a long time? Yes. Right? But looking down the road, and if the bottom truly is in, if we don't, come back down and go sideways, purely sideways for a longer time frame, this could really run. So, long term, I'm very bullish on AAVE. AAVE's shown that it has fantastic range and fantastic participation and explosivity, and so a lot of potential. So there you have it, friends. I just wanted to put that on your radar. AAVE up big today, so I'm keeping my eye on AAVE. We are rolling over here on the stochastic, on the momentum indicators here. We're rolling over here. We're at the top and we're starting to kind of do this. So this is a good time just to be watching it and wait for it to come back down. it'll probably try to, it's already bounced here at the 3.38 Fibonacci level. You can see a little wick here, although I don't think it's going to hold. So the next level is 90.28, and after that 88.95. So, and I do believe that 88.95 has a good chance of holding because that's the peak of this wedge here. Okay, so that was resistance, and now we've broken through it, and then now it becomes support, and that would be about a 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. It all makes sense. So anyway, there you go, friends. I don't want to make the video too long. Thank you for watching. I hope you're doing well, and be safe in the market. Take care.